Hello friends, welcome to the world of science. Today we dive into a question that has puzzled scientists for a long time. How did the dinosaurs end? From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the gentle long-necked Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs have always fascinated us. They were the rulers of the earth for over 160 million years, far longer than we humans have been around. Yet about 65 million years ago, they vanished from the face of our planet. What could have caused the end of these magnificent beasts? Scientists have proposed many theories, each more intriguing than the last. Was it a gigantic asteroid that struck Earth, causing a catastrophic chain of events? Or was it massive volcanic eruptions that filled the air with ash and gases, blocking sunlight and disrupting ecosystems? Or could it have been a gradual change in climate that the dinosaurs couldn't adapt to? So join us as we unravel the mystery of the dinosaurs' end. Before we discuss their end, let's understand the era of the dinosaurs. This era, known as the Mesozoic era, stretched over 180 million years, a span of time almost unfathomable to human comprehension. It was during this era that dinosaurs, these magnificent creatures, roamed and ruled the earth. The Mesozoic era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. Each period was marked by the rise and fall of different dinosaur species. From the small, nimble velociraptor to the gigantic, towering Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, each adapted to their unique environments and lifestyles. In the Triassic period, the first dinosaurs made their appearance. These were small bipedal creatures, a far cry from the massive beasts we often associate with the term dinosaur. Yet these humble beginnings set the stage for the evolution of some of the most iconic dinosaurs in the Jurassic period. This era saw the rise of giants like the Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus, and predators like the Allosaurus. The Cretaceous period, the final chapter in the dinosaur saga, brought forth some of the most well-known dinosaurs like the Triceratops and the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. T-Rex, often hailed as the king of the dinosaurs, is a testament to the sheer dominance these creatures held over the planet. But dinosaurs were not just about size and strength, they were also incredibly diverse. From herbivores to carnivores, from land dwellers to sea and air creatures, dinosaurs occupied every ecological niche. They evolved feathers, horns, plates, and all manner of incredible adaptations. They were a testament to the power of evolution and the diversity of life. The dinosaurs were truly the rulers of the earth, but every reign has its end. As dominant as they were, they could not escape the inevitable. The causes behind their extinction are still a subject of much debate and research. But whatever the cause, their demise marked the end of an era where giants walked the earth. One of the most popular theories about the dinosaurs' extinction is the asteroid theory. This theory proposes that a colossal asteroid or comet about 6 miles in diameter crashed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, approximately 66 million years ago. Imagine an object so large, its impact would have released energy equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. The result was a huge explosion, creating a crater over 100 miles wide, known as the Chicxulub crater. The impact would have triggered massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and fires, obliterating life in its immediate vicinity. But the real death knell for the dinosaurs was the enormous cloud of dust and debris that the impact hurled into the atmosphere. This cloud would have blocked out the sun, causing a nuclear winter effect. With sunlight blocked, plants couldn't photosynthesize, disrupting the food chain at its very root. The resulting drop in temperature would have created an inhospitable environment for the dinosaurs, leading to their eventual extinction. So, what's the evidence supporting this theory? Well, around the world, a thin layer of sediment from the end of the Cretaceous period, when the dinosaurs went extinct, contains a high concentration of the element iridium. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface but abundant in asteroids and comets, suggesting an extraterrestrial source. Additionally, the discovery of the Chicxulub crater, with its size and age matching the asteroid impact theory, adds further credence. Shocked quartz and tektites, which are formed under extreme pressures such as those generated by an asteroid impact, have also been found in the same layer of sediment, providing yet more evidence. However, despite the compelling evidence, not all scientists are convinced by the asteroid theory. Some point to the fact that many dinosaur species were already in decline before the impact. Others argue that life recovered too quickly after the event for it to have caused such a mass extinction. This theory suggests a catastrophic event, but is it the only explanation? The answer, as we'll see in the next segment, is not quite as simple. Another theory that scientists consider is the volcano theory. This theory, as the name suggests, puts forth the idea that intense and prolonged volcanic activity was the cause of the dinosaurs' demise. Let's journey to India, specifically to a region known as the Deccan Traps. This area is home to one of the largest volcanic provinces in the world. It's a place where, over millions of years, layers upon layers of lava have solidified into vast plateaus. The term Deccan derives from a Sanskrit word meaning south, while traps is a Swedish term for stairs, referring to the step-like hills formed by the multiple layers of solidified lava. Around 66 million years ago, in the twilight of the dinosaur era, the Deccan Traps experienced a period of extreme volcanic activity. This volcanic outburst spewed enormous amounts of lava, covering an area as large as France. But it wasn't just the lava that was a concern. These eruptions also expelled a cocktail of gases into the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Carbon dioxide, as we know, is a greenhouse gas. An excess of it in the atmosphere can lead to a warming effect, potentially causing a drastic rise in global temperatures. On the other hand, sulfur dioxide, when combined with water, forms sulfuric acid, which can lead to acid rain. Both of these phenomena could have resulted in a hostile environment, unsuitable for the survival of dinosaurs. Moreover, the dust and particles thrown into the atmosphere by such volcanic activity could have blocked sunlight, leading to a volcanic winter. This sudden drop in temperature and sunlight could have affected plant life, disrupting the food chain, and ultimately impacting dinosaur survival. So, were the dinosaurs wiped out by volcanic activity, or is there another piece of this puzzle? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet's past, each theory provides a piece of the jigsaw, helping us to better understand the complex tapestry of Earth's history. The climate change theory adds another dimension to this mystery. Picture this. Over millions of years, the Earth's climate has been a shifting, unpredictable entity. From ice ages to heat waves, the planet has seen it all. Now, imagine the dinosaurs, creatures of habit, living and thriving in a climate they've adapted to. But what happens when that climate gradually changes? The climate change theory proposes just that. It suggests that over a long period, the Earth's climate shifted, becoming either too hot or too cold for the dinosaurs to survive. This wasn't a sudden shift like an asteroid impact or volcanic eruption, but a slow, steady change that the dinosaurs couldn't adapt to in time. The Earth's climate is affected by various factors, including the tilt of the Earth's axis, the shape of its orbit around the sun, and the amount of sunlight it receives. Over millions of years, these factors can cause significant changes in the Earth's climate. Now consider the dinosaurs. They were cold-blooded creatures, which means their body temperature depended on their environment. If the climate became too hot, they could overheat. If it became too cold, they could freeze. Either way, a drastic change in climate could have been disastrous. Additionally, climate change could have affected the dinosaurs' food supply. If the climate became too cold, plant-eating dinosaurs would have struggled to find enough vegetation. If it became too hot, the water sources could have dried up, leading to drought and famine. Climate change could have also led to increased competition among species. As the climate changed, dinosaurs would have been forced to migrate to more hospitable areas, leading to overcrowding and competition for resources. But like all theories, the climate change theory has its critics. Some argue that the dinosaurs were adaptable creatures that had already survived several climate changes. Others suggest that the climate change was too slow to cause such a drastic extinction. So, we're left with a question that still baffles scientists. Could slow, steady climate change have been the final straw that ended the era of the dinosaurs? The truth is, no one theory can fully explain the dinosaurs' extinction. The reign of dinosaurs, an era of giant creatures ruling the Earth, came to an abrupt halt, leaving scientists with a puzzle to solve. Was it a massive asteroid that struck our planet with a force 1,000,000,000 times more powerful than an atomic bomb? Or perhaps it was the volcanic eruptions that filled the atmosphere with toxic gases and ash, blocking out the sun? Or could it have been the gradual changes in climate over millions of years that the dinosaurs simply couldn't adapt to? The answer, most likely, is a combination of these factors. Ongoing research continues to peel back the layers of this mystery, revealing new insights into the dinosaurs' final days. While we may never know the full story, the end of the dinosaurs marks a significant turning point in our planet's history. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the past. Keep exploring and stay curious.